Hey guys, so a long time ago well, 2 years ago, I made a video called How to Sing Like Ariana Grande. And I look back at the video and I really don't like the video. I don't explain anything well. I don't know, I just don't explain things well, and I really don't like the way I sing in the video. Generally, I just don't like the video. But the video has gotten a lot of views. It has gotten 64,000 views, and it still gets likes till this very day, and it gets dislikes, it gets comments, it gets hate comments, it gets good comments. And I still get subscribers because of that video, and I'm very thankful for the video. I don't really want to say that I can sing like Ariana, but it's the techniques. So I can really do like her low notes, and it's always here, and it's very breathy. It's like it's very breathy, and it's very light, and it's not like it's so yeah, I think that's like one of, I think people very like about Ariana is that whistle, that like whispery. Mariah Carey also does it too. So yeah, I guess that's how you sing like Ariana Grande. It's very high notes are really difficult. If you're a soprano, then it's easy. I'm not a soprano, I'm an alto. So I guess I can show you how I sing The Way in other songs. So here's The Way. I love the way you make me feel. I love it, I love it. You could be the kind of something I want it all the time, need it every day. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at 100. Now I get enough, I can stay away. I love the way, I love the way, baby, I love the way, oh, I love the way. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that whistle. So, here's Problem in a very low note. Hey baby, even though I hate ya, I wanna love ya, I want you, and even though I can't forget ya, I really want to. Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me? When she did the cover for Emotions by Mariah Carey, which was very brilliant. I loved it. I feel good, I feel nice. I've never been so satisfied. I'm in love, I'm alive, intoxicated, alive. It feels like a dream. So those are basically like her songs. I think Baby I just forgot how the words go. Baby I. Oh baby, oh baby. All I'm trying to say is you're my everything, baby. Baby, I'm so down for you, no matter what you do. Oh baby, oh baby. Any other songs? There's Right There. It's like, 'cause you listen and you care. You're so different, no one compares. Na, 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 na. I forgot the words. Yeah. So that's it. That's how I can kind of sound like Ariana Grande. It's very, you know, she does that a lot, and I really love that. It's like nose, its mouth. It's, I don't know, it's just very light. It's almost like a whisper. Her high notes are really difficult, especially in Problem. What you can do is try to clear your throat, you know, water, and try to, I know you're not going to get it right away, but try to practice your voice, like do some exercises, vocal exercises, and you will get there. I can do it, but I'm afraid it might go wrong, so here we go. It's not going to sound like Ariana Grande, so here we go. Head in the clouds, got my weight off my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that I've got. So yeah, that does not sound like Ariana. It's yelling. For me, that's yelling, but for her, it sounds good actually. But for me, it's yelling. I've got. So I really don't. I don't know. It just doesn't go with me. But hope you guys liked it, and I might title this I Can Sing Like Ariana Grande. It's gonna be misleading, but hope you guys like it, and subscribe, check out my other videos if you would like, and share the video if any of your friends who love Ariana Grande, or if you're an Ariana Grande Arianator yourself, share it with anybody who likes it. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you. Have a lovely day.